Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the lowercase y from alphabet lore. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the eyes. Let's draw a large rounded square shape on an angle here. And now let's do the same thing, but tuck behind on the left side. Now inside each eye, let's draw another large square shape on the top left. And now let's color both of these in black. And lastly for the eyes, let's add 2 eyelashes on the top outside. Let's start with the curve up and curve it back in. And then let's thicken it up slightly. And now let's color the end in black. And then let's add one more underneath. And now let's do the same thing on the right eye. Next, let's move underneath and draw the mouth with the curve down. And now let's thicken it up slightly towards the right side. And that's it for the face. Now let's draw the shape of the body. Let's start on the top and let's draw a line up and to the left. And the same thing above the right eye. Now from the ends, let's curve it down and in on an angle. Now for the left, let's angle it back into the eye. And the same thing on the right. But for this side, let's extend it a little bit underneath. Next, let's hop underneath the left eye and let's draw an angle down. And the same thing on the right. Now let's close off the bottom by curving it in, straight across, and back up. And that's it for lowercase y. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!